welcome to my video. This is gonna be the most satisfying video you ever watch, maybe. We're gonna go from complete disaster to perfect room. Because I feel like everyone's room looks like this at some point. These are really guys, like someone said depressed. But that's okay. I think we're gonna start by just folding and putting away all these loose clothes that are around. How are you guys doing? I just want to say thank you. What is this?
What is that?
This is a tube. I'm already giving up. This is bad. Like, my room has never been this messy. Like, why even fold shirts, right? Oh my god, I've been looking for this. Cool for the summer. Take me. Oh my god, my ring. My bathing suits are like everywhere. This is so extremely bad. Okay, this drawer is good. Also, what do you guys do with these? Like, I just throw them away. There's nothing here where I would need them. That was probably too much information. We're gonna get this bin out because I have to sort through and see what's actually laundry and what's not. Ew, I hate this. Megan, you're so lazy. Oh my god. I just found a hat in my laundry bin. Just found a hat. Pimped out. Bruh. Stop being so weird. I have a lot of laundry. Ugh. Okay, so this is laundry. I'm gonna put it up here, and then anything that's laundry, I'm just gonna shoot. I do fold my pants. Shout out to Cindy for this idea. Last night, Cindy was like, you should do a clean your room. Because they came into my room, and they were like, what the hell is going on in here? These are really cute. Oh, I'm sweating. Someone's texting me. Getting my nails done. Okay, Mom. Okay, I'm jealous. My nails look like garbage. So this is how the folding's going. Our drawer looks like this. Folded. Yeah, Megan, your room, fucking disaster. My life is so unorganized. Look at this. It's a roll of poop bags. My dog is at my mom's house and I'm at my dad's. So what the fuck? What do I do with these? They're like unrolled. Oh, that's what this is. This is for this. I'm such a mess. Oh no, we're just gonna do that. Oh goodness, it's kind of hard. Ugh. I actually will cry. This is taking forever. We did it! I need to put some music on. In the morning, and I'm trying to change your heart. Why'd you only call me when you're high? Feels like baby, please don't go. No, it won't work. Will you still be here? So I'm just hanging up all my sweaters. I found towels, but they're wet. Ew! Oh! Smells like sausage. Campfire. Laundry. These are wet, so I'm gonna put them in the dryer. Son of a gun! Hey! We're gonna make a pile of these in the corner. Throw them. Oh my god, there's literally one in my bed. Yuck.
You're disgusting.
So I started hanging stuff up, and I'm gonna make a sister pile because these are my sister's clothes. Sorry, Sam, I've been wearing a lot of your clothes lately. Bathing suits, I think. What the fuck? Like, oh fuck. Shirts. So I found some more pants. I'm gonna put them here. I also see some pants over here. What is going on? Folding, we're folding, still folding. We're just kind of sorting right now. These pajama shorts, wash. Really almost everything here is wash. Found more clothes in the corner of my room. This reeks of fire. Oh, I'm actually like stressed. This is a lot. Ooh. My closet doesn't open all the way. Celebrating fiesta party, quinceañera, family all together. POV, you're my laundry basket. We're gonna do some laundry. I'm gonna do like 7 loads. Fuck. Yee! Detergent? This is so funny. We're making progress, guys. Oh, you
looking kind of have a show like Oprah. I would be the host of.
My bed is made. I had to make some lunch. I was starving. I'll show you what the room looks like. So we've made a lot of progress. Like, look at this. I think I'm gonna swipe everything off and clean it. It's way cleaner. It's just all cleared off and wiped down. Okay, so we have acquired the Dyson. Celebrating Fiesta Party. When did it become a trend to have a messy nightstand? Sorry, like hot girl nightstands should be neat. This is what I'm reading right now. It's called The Rest of the Story. It's really good. I'm really liking it. And then this is my current journal. Got this girl on Etsy to do it, and I wish I could link the business, but I don't know what it is.
2,000 years later.
So this is the after image of my room. It's very clean as of right now. Let's hope it stays that way. My closet, it's all color coded again. That's the messiest my room has ever been, ever. What happened? But that was actually a really fun video to film. But as someone who has a messy room, 80% of the time, I will say that having a clean room makes you more organized, less stressed, and less anxious. Thank you so much for 168 subscribers. Where are you guys coming from? Yeah, make sure to hit the subscribe button because there's lots of exciting things coming this summer. I have so many video ideas and we're just getting started. Anyways, I hope you have the best week ever and I love you.